This is to explain how to fix garage door lock from inside of the garage. So if you see, garage door has this frame. So we have to remove this and fix the lock. We just remove this one, this part we have removed it using this tool and a hammer. Okay, we got it. Now I'll show you how to fix the lock. So this is the lock. Can you open? This is open now. Can you close the lock? So now it has to go through this hole to get it locked. Okay, now we are going to fix this lock here with the drilling machine. I'll show you that. You see the garage has already a hole drilled here, so we can use this hole for nailing one, and we just need to have a new hole here so the lock will be perfectly set. Right now, let's do another nail here. That will finish the job. It's fixed now. Okay, can you please lock it now? Yes. Now though you open the garage door, it will not open. Okay, can you please unlock? So it is unlocked. So keep unlock it when you are at the home, but when you go on vacation or when you go out for a couple of days, please lock it from the inside of the garage so that no one will open. Let me open the garage door. It's big now. Let me close it.
Mommy, turn it back on.
Sure, I'll do that. Okay. Okay, now can you please close the lock? Yeah. Now let me open the garage door. Yeah, it's not opening. It's locked, completely locked. It's good.